Hey everyone, every single person I know has a dry shampoo. But do you know one thing they don't have, which you should have, is this, a dry conditioner. So dry shampoos are fantastic to get you through like an extra day. But when you try to do it a few more than 1 day or 2 days, the scalp gets a bit ugh. And also too, the ends of the hair, you've got all your volume and the height, but the ends just look, they're fried like a tumbleweed. This stuff here, Kevin Murphy, it's Young Again. It's a Young Again conditioning mist. It's a dry conditioner. When your hair's long, you spray it in the ends, comb it through, and it just brings the condition back. It's completely light. It's so light, and it makes your hair so shiny and so soft, but it keeps the volume. So anyone with extensions even, because you can always tell, and I'm terrible at it. I don't really look at people's hair when I'm not in the salon, but if someone's hair's really bad, everyone can see it. They've got your extensions in, and this is all nice and shiny, then where the extensions are, it's like, poof. This stuff here balances it all out. So actually, you'll look more natural with the dry conditioner if you're an extension wearer. And if you have dry shampoo, you've got to have the dry conditioner. It's an amazing thing. Keep it in your gym bag. But everyone, I urge you, if you've got hair extensions, please buy some of this because it fixes it. It just makes your hair blend out and look 100% natural. It's super soft. It doesn't build up. It's got virtually no scent at all. It's just lovely. It's one of my favorite things. And I don't really talk about it a whole lot because I just assume everybody has some, but I don't think you do. So come and get some. Kevin Murphy, you will love it. We love it. Okay? Bye.